Dear learners, I welcome to this video lecture number 1 in Unit 2 Metrology of the subject Air Pollution and Control Engineering. In this unit, we are going to see about metrology, various meteorological factors, different characteristics of stacks, lapse rate, atmospheric dispersion theory, dispersion models. Initially, metrology. Metrology is the branch of science concerned with the process and phenomena of the atmosphere, especially as a means of forecasting the weather. The factor which change the concentration of air pollution in a particular area are called meteorological factors of air pollution. The concentration air pollutant in a particular area from various sources depends highly on the local weather condition. Air pollution metrology is the study of how pollutants are delivered and dispersed in the ambient air. And it provides critical information about the fate and effect of pollutants upon human health and the environment. The knowledge of air pollution metrology is essential to quality planning and understanding the way of air pollutant is transported and dispersed in the environment. Air movements influence the fate of air pollutants, so any study of air pollution should include a study of local weather patterns, which is called as meteorology. If the air is calm and the pollutants cannot disperse, then the concentration of the pollutants will build up. On the other hand, when strong or turbulent wind blow occurs, pollutants disperse quickly, which results in lower pollutant concentrations. The turbulent wind move away the particles which is present in the air. In fact, the ability to predict the behavior of pollutant in the ambient air is essential when attempting to manage and control the impact of pollutants present in the air, which causes severe effects on human and the environment. Objectives of meteorological factors study. First, to identify the source of pollutants, to predict the position of events such as high concentration days, to simulate and to predict the air quality using computer models, to determine the stack height, to evaluate the intensity of pollution which is present in the ambient air. Effects of metrology on air pollutant. Solar radiation and temperature affect the quantities of pollutant emitted by their influence and the amount of space heating required. Sunshine is the reason for photochemical production of oxidants which causes formation of smog. The wind velocity, turbulence and stability affects the transportation, dilution and dispersion of the pollutants. The rainfall has a scavenging effect in washing out particles in the atmosphere. The humidity is a frequent and important factor in determining the effect of concentrations of pollutants have on property, on vegetations, and on health on humans and the environment. This meteorological data may also be used to develop implementation plans and predict the atmospheric process that will ultimately affect an area's ability to comply with national ambient air quality standards.